Here are a few important notes to help you as you navigate your Covenant College application through the Common App. First, the college information section contains some important information that is specific to Covenant. You will find links and information about important dates, competitive scholarships, app fees, testing policy, and even recommendation requirements. Within this section, pay special attention to the details regarding references. Each applicant will need 2 references. One will need to be an academic reference and the other a faith reference. We suggest that you request these references at the time you submit the application, but you can submit them later if needed. But please note that we cannot evaluate your application for admission without receiving these references. Another requirement for admissions is a testimony that will be used as a writing sample, so make sure you use proper grammar and punctuation. Any use of plagiarism, AI, or ChatGPT will cause the testimony to be unable to be used. Once you've completed the application, be sure to check your email for instructions about how to set up and access your Covenant College application portal, where you can track your application status, access your checklist, and upload any outstanding items needed for admissions consideration. You can always reach out to our admissions team for further assistance. We look forward to helping you take the next steps to becoming a Covenant Scot.